Right, you lot. Have you ever watched a monster truck rally and thought, what in the bloody hell is powering that behemoth? These massive machines are not just for show, they are engineering marvels. The sheer power and size of these trucks are enough to make anyone curious. Today, we're diving headfirst into the oily bits to compare the monster truck engine versus the normal truck engine. We'll explore the intricate details that make these engines roar and thunder across arenas. Have you ever looked at a monster truck and thought, how does that engine compare to my regular pickup? What kind of engineering goes into making these trucks so powerful and resilient? How does that engine compare to my regular pickup? We'll break down the components, the horsepower and the torque that set these engines apart. What makes these beasts so powerful? Is it the sheer size, the advanced technology, or a combination of both? We'll find out. Today, we're breaking down the monster truck engine versus the normal truck engine battle. We'll look at the history, the evolution, and the future of these incredible machines. Let's dive in and discover what makes these mechanical giants tick. Get ready for an in-depth comparison that will leave you in awe. Let's address the monster in the arena. We're talking sheer size and raw brute power. Monster trucks have supercharged V8 engines with over 1,500 horsepower and about 1,300 pound-feet of torque. Compare that to your average pickup truck like a Ford F-150 or Chevy Silverado with 300 to 500 horsepower. It's like comparing a Whippet to a Rottweiler. Sure, the Whippet's quick, but the Rottweiler will have your arm off. Now, you can't have all that power without feeding the beast. These monster trucks are the epitome of raw, unbridled power, and they need a special kind of fuel to keep them roaring. These monster trucks guzzle methanol like it's going out of fashion. Methanol is their lifeblood, and without it, they wouldn't be able to perform those jaw-dropping stunts and feats of strength. Methanol burns cooler and faster than regular petrol, essential for engines running hotter than the surface of the sun. This unique property allows the engines to handle the extreme conditions they face during performances. But there's a catch. These behemoths are about as fuel efficient as a tank in a china shop. Their fuel consumption is astronomical, making them one of the least efficient vehicles on the planet. We're talking 10 gallons of methanol just to finish a single run. That's a staggering amount of fuel for such a short distance, but it's the price you pay for that kind of power. Meanwhile, your normal truck, like the Ford F-150 EcoBoost, will happily chug along for over 20 miles on a single gallon. This kind of efficiency is what makes it a favorite among everyday drivers. One's built for power, the other for practicality. The monster truck is all about delivering maximum impact, while the Ford F-150 EcoBoost is designed for reliability and efficiency. It's like comparing a rock star to an accountant. The rock star lives for the moment, burning bright and fast, while the accountant is steady, dependable, and in it for the long haul. One burns bright and fast, the other's in it for the long haul. Each has its own unique strengths and purposes, catering to different needs and lifestyles. Let's talk about durability. When it comes to engines, not all are created equal. Some are built for sheer power and performance, while others are designed for longevity and reliability. You wouldn't want to take a monster truck engine out for your daily commute. These beasts are made for short bursts of extreme power, not for the stop and go of city traffic. These engines are practically hand-built, race-tuned and pampered more than a prize-winning poodle. Every component is meticulously crafted to ensure maximum performance during races and stunts. They're designed to withstand massive jumps, bone-jarring landings, and even the occasional unplanned somersault. The stress these engines endure is unimaginable for a regular vehicle. Now, compare that to your average truck engine. Your everyday truck is built for reliability and efficiency, not necessarily for surviving the apocalypse or performing death-defying stunts. It's built for reliability, not necessarily for surviving the apocalypse. These engines are designed to run smoothly for long distances, ensuring you get from point A to point B without a hitch. These engines are designed to clock up hundreds of thousands of miles without complaint. They are the workhorses of the road, built to last through years of daily use. A monster truck engine? They need a good seeing to every 20 to 50 hours of use. The maintenance required is extensive, ensuring they can handle the next big event without failing. Let's talk about the noise. Monster trucks bellow like a herd of angry buffalo. We're talking 150 decibels or more, loud enough to set off car alarms and make your ears ring for days. Now, your average pickup truck, even a diesel with a good growl, is positively timid in comparison. So, next time you're at a stoplight and you feel the urge to rev your engine, just remember, you're not going to shake the ground like a monster truck. Now let's talk about the price. A monster truck engine can set you back anywhere between $50,000 to $100,000, and that's before you factor in the constant maintenance and endless rebuilds. Your average truck engine, a replacement will set you back a more reasonable $5,000 to $15,000. So, there you have it, the engine showdown. We've seen the raw power of the monster truck and the sensible, reliable workhorse that is the normal truck engine. Which one would you choose? Would you go for the adrenaline rush of a monster truck or the dependable practicality of a normal pickup? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more engine-powered adventures.